Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Immigration is a life-changing decision that opens up new opportunities, challenges, and experiences. With the world becoming increasingly interconnected, people are exploring new countries for better job prospects, higher quality of life, or simply a fresh start. In 2024, several countries stand out as top destinations for immigrants due to their strong economies, high living standards, and welcoming immigration policies. Here's a look at the top 10 countries to consider immigrating to in 2024. 1. Canada. Canada remains one of the most popular destinations for immigrants due to its inclusive society, robust economy, and excellent quality of life. The country's express entry system makes it easier for skilled workers to obtain permanent residency. Canada also offers free healthcare and world-class education, making it an ideal place for families. The multicultural environment ensures that newcomers feel welcome, and with a strong demand for skilled labor, job opportunities are abundant. 2. Australia. Australia's high standard of living, stunning landscapes, and strong economy make it a top choice for immigrants. The country's general skilled migration program allows skilled workers to gain permanent residency, with a focus on professions in high demand. Australia's cities, such as Sydney and Melbourne, consistently rank among the most livable in the world, offering a perfect blend of work and leisure. 3. Germany. Germany's thriving economy, particularly in engineering, and manufacturing, attracts immigrants from around the globe. The country's Blue Card program is designed to attract highly skilled non-EU workers, offering a clear path to permanent residency. Germany is also known for its excellent healthcare system, high-quality education, and rich cultural heritage. With a strong focus on innovation and sustainability, Germany offers numerous opportunities for personal and professional growth. 4. New Zealand. New Zealand is a dream destination for those seeking a peaceful, balanced lifestyle surrounded by breathtaking natural beauty. The country's skilled migrant category allows skilled workers to live and work in New Zealand, with a straightforward process for gaining permanent residency. New Zealand's commitment to environmental sustainability, combined with its strong education and healthcare systems, makes it an attractive option for families and individuals alike. 5. Sweden. Sweden is renowned for its high quality of life, social welfare system, and progressive values. The country offers excellent opportunities for professionals in the tech, healthcare, and engineering sectors. Sweden's generous parental leave policies, free education, and universal healthcare make it an appealing choice for families. The country's commitment to innovation and equality also creates a welcoming environment for immigrants from diverse backgrounds. 6. Switzerland. Switzerland's strong economy, high salaries, and stunning natural scenery make it a top destination for immigrants. The country offers various immigration options, particularly for highly skilled workers in finance, pharmaceuticals, and engineering. Switzerland's excellent healthcare system, low crime rate, and high standard of living are major draws for those seeking stability and prosperity. Although the cost of living is high, the benefits of living in this peaceful and orderly society are immense. 7. United Arab Emirates, UAE. The UAE, particularly Dubai and Abu Dhabi, has become a major hub for expatriates due to its booming economy and tax-free salaries. The country's new visa reforms, including the introduction of long-term residency visas, make it easier for skilled professionals to settle in the UAE. With a high standard of living, modern infrastructure, and a cosmopolitan lifestyle, the UAE offers a unique blend of tradition and modernity, making it an exciting destination for immigrants. 8. Norway. Norway's high standard of living, excellent work-life balance, and stunning natural environment make it a top choice for immigrants. The country offers various immigration options, particularly for skilled workers and students. Norway's strong economy, particularly in the energy, shipping, and fisheries sectors, provides ample job opportunities. The country's commitment to social welfare, including free healthcare and education, ensures a high quality of life for all residents. 9. Singapore. Singapore is a global financial hub known for its high quality of life, low crime rate, and world-class infrastructure. The country's open immigration policies, particularly for skilled workers, make it an attractive destination for professionals in finance, technology, and healthcare. Singapore's efficient public services, excellent education system, and multicultural society create a welcoming environment for immigrants. The city-state strategic location in Asia also offers easy access to other major markets in the region. 10. Portugal has gained popularity among immigrants due to its affordable cost of living, beautiful landscapes, and relaxed lifestyle. The country's Golden Visa program allows non-EU citizens to obtain residency by investing in real estate, making it an attractive option for retirees and investors. Portugal's vibrant culture, warm climate, and friendly locals make it an appealing destination for those seeking a slower pace of life. The country also offers excellent healthcare and education systems, ensuring a comfortable lifestyle for all residents. Conclusion: choosing a country to immigrate to in 2024 depends on individual priorities, such as career opportunities, quality of life, or family needs. Whether you seek the bustling cities of Canada and Australia, the peaceful landscapes of New Zealand and Norway, or the cultural richness of Germany and Portugal, these top 10 countries offer a wide range of opportunities for immigrants looking to start a new chapter in their lives. The key is to research thoroughly, consider all factors, and choose the destination that aligns best with your goals and aspirations. Thanks for watching this video.